Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. How are you? Today we are in a new chapter, chapter 5. So I want you to look at the board. Thank you. And we have some new words. First, tell me, do you have any mice at home? चूहे जो परेशान करते हो? हाँ, they are not nice. So what do you do? Exactly. अच्छा, very good. आप लोगों के पास cat है. That's good. Cats will fight and kill any mice. Anyway, let's look at the words. Okay, let's start. The first word, resemblance. 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 Very good. It means similar, alike, same. Now, resemblance. हो सकता है आपकी resemblance आपकी little brother के साथ हो या sister के साथ हो या किसी cousin के साथ resemblance हो. resemblance का मतलब क्या? look alike. बाज़ लोग कहते हैं ना, ओहो तुम तो बिल्कुल अपनी मामा की शक्ल लग रही हो. बाज़ बच्चे कहते हैं ना, मैं तो बिल्कुल अपनी मामा की शक्ल हूँ. तो उसको कहते हैं resemblance, उनकी तरह दिखना. Okay? So, a resemblance is similar to another person or the same. Okay? Right. Next word. Crept. 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 What is crept? आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चलना. To move slowly. To move with body touching the ground. Move without any sound. अब ये जो लिखा है ना crept, ये जब दबे पाँव जिसे कहते हैं, छोटा भाई सो रहा है, मामा ने अभी अभी बच्चे को भाई को आपके सुलाया है. डोंट गो इन द रूम. अब आपको जाना है ज़रूरी कमरे में, तो मामा कहेंगी ओके वेरी क्वाइटली. तो आप क्या करेंगे? यू विल क्रीप. मामा कहेंगे आप कैसे गए थे कमरे में? तो आप कह सकते हैं आई क्रेप्ट क्वाइटली. दबे पाँव अंदर कमरे में गए, फिर वापस आ गए. तो बेबी ब्रदर सो रहा था, डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. अब crept, to move with the body touching the ground. अब हम तो ऐसे creep नहीं करते, ये जानवर करते हैं. Yes, like a cat. A cat crept slowly behind the mouse and leapt at it and caught the mouse. Good, very good. Number 3, fierce. Fierce, furious, violent, terrible. Fierce, एक बहुत horrible, terrible सा वो हो. So, इसमें हम कह सकते हैं a lion is a very fierce animal. Okay? Right. Leapt. वो जो मैंने अभी कहा था ना, बिल्ली creep up करती है and then she leapt upon him. कूदना all of a sudden. So, leapt, you can either hop or jump and skip. And leapt, think of it. Very good. Very good. Kangaroos का किसने बताया आपको? Good, Mama ने. Okay. Which other? Yes. Very good. मेंढक कूदता है. अब इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Frogs leap. Frog leapt over. Where did the frog leap? Over the pond. Very good. Frog leapt over the pond. Doze. Doze. A very short nap, snooze, or a short sleep. Now, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आप स्कूल से आते हैं, थके हुए होते हैं, आपको तो नहीं मालूम मगर मामा को पता होता है, तो वो क्या कहती हैं? Go and have a short nap. A nap. और आप कहते हैं नहीं, I don't want to go to bed, but मम्मी कहती है no, go sleep for a while. तो फिर आप जब जाते हैं तो वाकई आप ऐसे ऐसे and then all of a sudden you doze off to sleep, कि ऐसी आपकी हालत हो जाती है कि वाकई आप सो जाते हैं. Peek. Peek. A little look. Okay? A quick peek. Oh, who's this? I can see someone peeping. Yes, ye kaun tha? Very good. I just saw your little brother peep into the room. Very good. Miserable. Pareshan, upset. Very good. Shall we make sentences quickly? Now, resemblance. Yes. You resemble your mummy. Very good. मैं अपनी मम्मी की तरह दिखती हूँ. I resemble my mother. Crept. Very good. I crept quietly in the room. मैं दबे पैर कमरों में घुसा. Next. Lion is a fierce animal. शेर बहुत खूंखार जानवर है. Brilliant. Right. Leapt. Very good. The frogs leapt over the pond, or leaped from one pond to the other pond. My friend dozed in school today. Okay, very good. Today I was tired and I dozed in class. Very good. कभी कभी हो जाता है. Right. Peeked. Yes, very good. My brother peeped into the room while we were studying. Very good. Miserable. Yes. Very good. My sister was miserable because she couldn't find her soft toys. Oh. Then she was happy you found it. Very good. Okay. What I want you to do now, boys and girls, is look at the video to help you, and then what do? Make sentences and write it carefully in your books. Okay? Send it to your teacher. Allah Hafiz.